So with that, let's get started. So this is the packaging for the portable baby stroller fan. It looks pretty nice, very presentable. The standard cardboard box. Go ahead and open it. It did not come with a tape or anything like that. So it looks like inside we are finding a USB to USB cord. Okay, put that to the side. Looks like with the fan itself is in a small bag. Okay, I'll put this box to the side as well. All right. Okay. The fan comes in 6 different colors: black, blue, green, pink, white, and yellow. So this is the dark green version. The fan portion itself rotates up and down, and then I can see in the back of the fan there's the area for the cable. So the legs, yep, definitely feel flexible but sturdy. They feel thin now that I'm opening the legs, so we'll see if I can make the fan stand. Okay, so there's that. Can move it. See if I can move it around a little bit more. Okay, so it's still pretty sturdy, and I can stand it up high or low. Okay. Looks like the arms can be crossed, and the fan is fine. Oh, that's cool. It looks like the fan is already pre-charged, at least a little, so that's great. We can test it out. So this button back here is the power button, and this fan has 3 speeds, so you probably heard that. So I'm going to turn it on. All right, so I think you heard that. So the first time that I turned on the fan, it was on low. I clicked the button again. It was on medium. Clicked it a third time, it was on high, and then I clicked it a 4th time, I went back to off. So pretty straightforward. Even if I rotate it, it doesn't look like it's obstructed in any way. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a couple of dimensions, and I'm also going to have a sheet of paper next to the fan. And I will go ahead and plug this in at the end. All right, so for the fan, looking here, it looks like it's about 4.5 widthwise. And it looks like it's about 10.5 or 10 3/4 lengthwise. And if I'm looking at the description on the website, it looks like it pretty much matches the dimensions that were provided on the website. So that's good news. Okay, so now I'm going to place a standard 8.5 by 11 size sheet of paper under the fan, so you get an idea of the size of the product. And I'm also going to go ahead and turn the fan on its side, so it was on its side. You have an idea of what it looks like. Let me get this out of the way. Let's see how it does. Okay. Good. Works pretty well. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. I should note that this cable did not come with a travel adapter or any kind of adapter, so this is just my own adapter. Okay, so it looks like there's a little red light after the fan is plugged in. And oh, looks like we have some product information on the side of the fan. Okay, it just says the product name, model, input, and all the other miscellaneous items. So now we're going to go ahead and try it and see if there's any difference. Okay, so it looks like this is just for charging. That doesn't make any difference on performance, whether the fan is plugged in or not. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug that fan now. Let me try that again. Okay, pretty straightforward. But then when you're trying to unplug it, your fingers can't grasp the top and bottom very well. So I guess I can pull it from the sides. Okay, so that might be a little bit annoying, but otherwise it's fine. So something to keep in mind. It's not a deal breaker, at least not for me, but just something to be aware of. A couple of the features to mention about the fan is that it's supposed to hold a charge so that it can be on for 6 continuous hours. The fan itself also turns 360 degrees, which is pretty nice. And the main idea, I should say, about the fan is that the openings are narrow so that it's safe for babies to be near the fan without the parent having to worry about the baby putting their finger in the fan. So those are kind of some of the highlights about the fan itself. I can say that it is pretty lightweight. I think if you were to just toss this in your bag, you would notice that it's bulky, but you wouldn't notice that it's very heavy at all. One other thing that I wanted to mention is that the cable itself that comes with the fan, I did a quick measurement and it's over 3 feet. So it's longer than I thought it would be, and pleasantly surprised. Again, the downside is that there's no adapter, but the cable is it's thin but sturdier than expected, and it seems to hold up pretty well. If you're interested in this fan, the affiliate link is below. You're helping this mom make more videos. And if you have any more questions, drop them in the comments and I will get to them. Thank you and have a great day.